Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Right. Oh yeah, I gotta plug it in first. I just checked the CG. We're gonna run with my Solo HRB battery. I've only got one of them, so we're gonna use this one as more of a quick trim, dial it in kind of thing. Because I've only flown it, what, once? So I want to make sure everything's solid. Is that thunder or farm equipment? Right, left, down, up, right, left.
High rates.
Right, left, down, up, right, left.
Motor off. To on.
All right. V900 time. Oh, this thing is crispy. Oh, that looks good in the air. Is that rain? Yep. All right. Time to land it though. Yeah. Money!
Motor off.
It's like I'm starting to get good at this shit or something. Hell yeah. Let's go see what the speeds did. If I even turned the tracker on. I don't think I did. That's not my speed battery anyway, so. I think I forgot to turn the tracker on, but eh. Oh yeah, it was going fast. Like it was at least as fast as the Pilatus. Oh yeah, 200. It's at least as fast as the Pilatus though. On flat and level, not even a dive. Like this thing is bad.